Want to feel your best? Eat nutrient-dense foods. These foods pack a powerful punch of vitamins and minerals. They give your body what it needs to thrive. Vegetables are nutritional superstars. Growing your own is easier than you think. Homegrown vegetables taste better. Plus, you know exactly what went into growing them. No harmful chemicals, just pure goodness. Ready to grow your own nutrient-dense garden? Let's get started. Some vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, providing essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to thrive. Let's look at some top picks for your garden that are not only easy to grow, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Kale. This leafy green is a vitamin and mineral powerhouse. It's like a superhero for your immune system. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, kale can be used in salads, smoothies, or even baked into crispy chips. Spinach. Remember Popeye? Spinach is full of iron, which gives you energy. Add it to salads or smoothies. It's also a great source of vitamins A and C, making it a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. Broccoli. This green veggie is like a tiny tree packed with goodness. It's full of fiber, which keeps your tummy happy. Broccoli is also rich in vitamins C and K, and it's great steamed, roasted, or even raw. Swiss chard. This colorful veggie is like a flavor burst in your mouth. It's packed with antioxidants to keep you healthy. Swiss chard is also high in vitamins A, C, and K, and can be sautéed, added to soups, or used in salads. Carrots. These orange wonders are great for your eyes. They're also fun to grow and snack on. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, supporting vision and immune function. These are just a few examples. There are many other nutrient-dense vegetables to explore. Growing your own vegetables can be a rewarding experience, providing fresh, healthy produce right from your garden. Ready for some gardening magic? Let's dive into some essential tips and tricks to ensure your harvest is as nutrient-rich as possible. Here are simple tips to boost the nutrients in your vegetables and make your garden thrive. Healthy soil, healthy plants. Start with nutrient-rich soil. The foundation of any great garden is the soil. Add compost or manure to give your plants a good foundation. This organic matter enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients. Water wisely. Water your plants regularly, especially when it's hot, but don't overwater. Too much water can drown the roots and wash away nutrients. Harvest at peak ripeness. Pick your vegetables when they're at their peak. This is when they have the most flavor and nutrients. Freshly picked vegetables not only taste better, but are also packed with vitamins and minerals. Rotate your crops. Don't plant the same thing in the same spot year after year. Crop rotation prevents soil depletion and reduces pest buildup. Rotate your crops to keep the soil healthy and maintain its fertility. Companion planting. Some plants grow better together. This method can enhance growth and deter pests. For example, plant basil near your tomatoes to keep pests away. This natural pest control method is both effective and eco-friendly. These tips will help you grow the most nutrient-rich vegetables possible. Happy gardening and enjoy your bountiful, healthy harvest. You've harvested your bounty, and now your kitchen is brimming with fresh, vibrant produce. But how do you keep those precious nutrients from disappearing and ensure your hard work doesn't go to waste? It's easier than you might think. With a few simple steps, you can preserve the goodness of your harvest. Store smart. Proper storage is key. Store your vegetables correctly to keep them fresh and nutrient-rich for longer. Some vegetables, like carrots and lettuce, prefer the cool environment of the fridge, while others, such as root vegetables and pumpkins, are happy in a cool, dry place like a cellar or pantry. Eat fresh is best. To get the most out of your vegetables, eat them as soon as possible after harvesting. This is when they're at their peak of freshness, flavor, and nutritional value. Gentle cooking methods. When it comes to cooking, methods like steaming or stir-frying help retain more nutrients compared to boiling, which can cause nutrient loss. Growing your own nutrient-dense vegetables is not only a rewarding experience, but also a healthy choice. You get to enjoy delicious, healthy food and the joy and satisfaction of gardening. What are your favorite nutrient-dense vegetables to grow in your garden? We'd love to hear your tips, experiences, and any questions you might have about preserving the goodness of your harvest.